Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
How to remove unwanted hair forever in just 5 minutes. There are many people all over the world who struggle with excessive and unwanted facial hair. Likewise, there are a countless number of remedies, treatments, and products which offer effective results. The unwanted hair can appear everywhere on the body, including the face, hands, feet, and back. This is a huge aesthetic issue and can have a negative impact on the person's self-esteem. This issue usually occurs due to various reasons, such as hormone imbalance, certain medications, irregular period, or pregnancy. Fortunately, there is a simple and powerful solution for removing the unwanted hair. In fact, there is a natural solution which can help you remove the unwanted hair in just 5 minutes. Hence, instead of using expensive treatments, waxing, electrolysis, laser hair removal, and certain products, you can try a homemade solution. The following natural remedy is inexpensive, safe, and extremely effective. You will be surprised by the results. What's so great about this solution is that it gradually makes the hair thinner and the unwanted hair will disappear forever. However, this treatment requires persistence and determination. If you perform it regularly, the efforts will be worthwhile. Homemade solution for removing unwanted hair. Ingredients: 1 cup of baby oil, 1 tablespoon of iodine 2%. Instructions: the preparation of this solution is quite easy. All you should do is mix the ingredients well and can remove the unwanted body hair. Then, take the mixture and rub it onto the hairy area for 2 minutes. Next, leave it for 5 minutes and use a damp cloth to wipe it off. Repeat this treatment for several days. You will notice that your hair will gradually become thinner and disappear forever. You will forget about the unwanted hair and it will boost your self-confidence.